Bago tayo magsimula, ipapromote ko lang. Aking mga power bracelets, available po ito sa Shopee at sa TikTok. But most of my power bracelets are available sa Shopee. So, lahat po yan ako yung gumagawa. Meron tayong mga protection bracelets. So, this is a combination of fire agate and lucky red string, which I have been using for more than 4 years na. And then, meron tayong dalawang klase ng obsidian evil eye. We have the smaller version, which is the 6mm bead and the 8mm bead. This is good for warding off negative energies around you. And of course, yung mga evil eye. And then, we have the anti-evil eye bracelet. So, para to sa mga anti-inggit, ganyan, sa paligid nyo. And then, also, we have the selenite evil eye. So, the good thing about this is, multi-purpose na siya. Kini-cleanse na niya yung energies around you. And also, yung mga kasama niyang bracelets, cleansing and recharging as well. So, just like this one. Ayan. And then we have other bracelets for other intentions and manifestations. So meron tayong authentic malachite. This is for healing and also attraction of money and transformation. And marami pang iba. Meron din tayong chakra bracelet for balance. And we have the tiger's eye for courage. We have howlite for concentration and focus. We have rose quartz for attraction of love, self-love, and of course, amethyst for intuition, healing. Ayan. Lahat ng bracelet may kasama ng instruction leaflet, extra string, and a cute pouch. Ayan. Meron din ako mga bagong products sa aking shop. Ito yung Intention Oils. It comes with 2 sizes. Meron tayong dropper, which is 15 ml. Meron tayong roll-on na 5 ml. So, you can use this for manifestation ng prosperity and protection. So, while you are doing affirmations. And ito naman, you can, multi-purpose to, pwede mo rin itong gamitin when you are setting intentions. You can put this sa iyong candle if bago ka mag-set ng intention. So, this is for prosperity and protection na. Meron din akong spell jar for protection and prosperity. So, these are limited items lang kasi konti lang nagawa ko dahil lahat to ay chinarge ng super full moon nung full moon in Pisces. So now it is available. I think 5 to 7 pieces lang yung available for each. So lahat yan nasa aking Shopee. Link on the description. Thank you so much and happy shopping. Scorpio, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ay isang energy update for you ngayong September 16 to 30, 2023. This is a general reading, so maaari kayong makarelate. Maaring hindi, just take what resonates. Panoorin nyo rin yung Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs ninyo. Para sa iba pang mensahe, meron tayong video na nagpapaliwanag tungkol doon. Link on the description. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder that you have the power to create your own reality. So gamitin nyo lang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Okay. Scorpio, let us see what's coming to you. Ano yung update for Scorpio? Transits, climate, change, may pagbabago. But I feel like someone here is parang ayaw ng pagbabago. Diba? Uranus, change. Some of you are holding on to something na dapat is pinapakawalan nyo na. And focus on loving yourself, taking care of yourself. So let's see, ano ba tong hino-hold on mo? What are you still holding on to? Kasi number 5, double 5 is 5 is about change sa numerology. This is also about exploration. And 5 plus 5 is 1. 5 plus 5 is 10. 1 plus 0 is 1. So 1 is a new beginning. So it's time for you to change something in your life that will lead to a new beginning. Let's see, ano tong change na ito? Related saan? So you have Jupiter in Capricorn in the 12th house. 12th house is about your spirituality. Pwede itong belief system ninyo or yung inyong anything related sa inyong paniniwala, sa inyong spirituality. 12th house kasi masyado siyang malalim, masyadong mysterious. I feel like you need to dive deeply, no, about yourself, on how to transform yourself into someone who is more productive, more connected to your higher self. And some of you, maaring meron kayong babaguhin sa inyong sarili, i-improve sa inyong sarili. And Capricorn energy is also about your career, finances, and the way you create money. So, pwedeng merong opportunities na susubukan kayo, let's say a business, no, that you have never tried before. Pwede tong business related sa spirituality or sa occult, sa esoteric. Okay, let's see what else, Scorpio. You have the Magician. So the Magician is someone who has a lot of talents and skills na kaya mong gawin, na maaring it's time for you to try something new. Try to explore your skills, your talents. You have the Hanged Man. So yung iba sa inyo, nagpo-procrastinate. Ito yung tipong meron kang plano, no? O, yun yung plano mo, gusto mong sumubok magnegosyo, pero nasa isip mo lang siya, hindi mo pa ginagawa ng paraan, hindi ka pa nagte-take action. Some of you are confused, some of you maaring you don't know where you are headed, no? Maaring na-overwhelm kayo sa mga choices, sa options available sa inyo. That's why nahihirapan kayong pumili. You also have the Ace of Pentacles. So anytime soon, you will start something exciting in terms of your career, your finances, your business. At mamahalin mo to, no? With the King of Cups energy, you will focus your attention, your love, your whole self, no, to this. So I think kung sa ngayon hindi ka pa open sa changes, might as well review your priorities. Ano ba talaga yung gusto mong ma-experience moving forward? Do you really want to explore? 'Di ba? Lalo na kung may nag-open na opportunity for you. So why not try to explore it? Opportunity sa career, sa business. Okay, you also have resources. Lahat daw ng pangangailangan mo nandyan na. Nasa sayo na. Okay, kailangan mo na lang mag-take ng action, kumilos. You are going to be recognized dito sa i-explore mo, sa susubukan mo. You also have, spiritual awakening, You also already have the inner knowing. Parang alam mo na sa sarili mo na you need to embrace a new version of yourself or like a rebirth. But syempre kailangan it comes from within you. You may be learning new things. Siguro kaya hindi mo siya masyadong, parang hindi mo pa sinusubukan or ginagawa. It's because you feel like may kulang pa sa kaalaman mo. So if you feel na may kulang pa sa kaalaman mo, then learn. 'Di ba? Research. Have that information that you need. Yes, you are going to go within. You will dive deeply. Parang meron kang hahanaping sagot sa mga katanungan mo. So some of you, sumasakit na yung ulo nyo sa kakaisip na yan. So you need to kailangan mo nang makita yung yung resulta niyan by taking action. Kasi kung lagi mo lang siyang isipin, you will never know what's the result until you actualize your ideas. So sa money, career, finances, you have self-made. Meron kang opportunity to do things on your own. Meron kang mga projects na gagawin or ginawa in the past na ililid ka sa independence. So, may freedom dito. So, maaring iba sa inyo, you're going to start your own business, you will be your own boss, maaring magre-resign ka na sa work mo para mag-focus dito sa trabaho na to for yourself. So, kailangan lang ma-organize mo ang iyong workstation. Ayan. Kailangan, meron kang place wherein andun ka para mag-work kahit na nasa bahay ka lang. Some of you naman, maaring, kung hindi pa kayo ready for a business, yung mismong workstation mo, ayusin mo para magkaroon ka ng clarity sa mga gagawin mo. Kasi 'di ba pag medyo makalat yung lugar, ang hirap mag-isip. You have the Five of Wands. Conflicted ka pa rin. You have the Son of Pentacles and the Tower. Oh. Okay, anytime soon, you will take action. Kailangan lang nito na may mag-trigger sa'yo. So, I think sa trabaho, sa career, pwedeng may mag-trigger sa'yo to finally make that change. Let's say, for example, yung tinitiis mong trabaho, tinitiis mo hanggat kaya mo, but then something will happen, like magkakaroon ka ng challenging situation with your boss na magiging dahilan para sabihin mo na, okay, I'm done with this. Okay, ganon. So, sa relationship, merong trapped and transformation. So, I think some of you are going to leave a situation sa relationship na limited. You feel like there's a lot of limitations. Marami kang hindi nagagawa dahil sa relationship na to. So, you are going to free yourself, transform yourself. You have the Justice card. So, this is having that, yung answer sa question mo, clarity sa situation mo. You have the Four of Swords, which is about healing. And then the Five of Pentacles. I think related rin to sa finances ninyo. Yung iba maaring sa relationship ninyo, pinipigilan kayo na to have your own money, kahit na gusto mo na magtrabaho on your own. So I think for some of you, you will let go from that limitation and focus on transforming yourself. Okay? So, that is your reading, Scorpio. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Scorpio. See you again.